In this video, the TRX-4 falls over. We have Mick Craddock in the house with his Kyosho outdoor rampage. TRX-4 falls over again. Mick causes an accident.
Oh, I killed myself.
The Hilux TRX-4 goes for a tumble-wumble. Mick causes another accident.
Oh, here we go.
The Hilux goes for another tumble-wumble.
Oh.
Mick causes another accident. Alright guys, how are you doing? We're getting close to 50,000 subscribers. I really can't thank you guys enough. I'm so chuffed. And as a thanks, I'm going to be giving away a Sidewinder free combo. This is a 4600 kV, so perfect for your slash, perfect for your rustler, something like that. And this thing can run 3S lipos. So pretty much what I'm going to do, once we get past the 50,000 subscribers, guys, I'm going to be asking a question. And it's going to be a question related about something on my channel, like an RC related question. And the first person to get that question right, guys, in the comments in that video, they're going to be the person to win that item. I'm going to ship it to you. We got the car show outlaw rampage in the house and the legendary Mick Craddock.
There we go.
Where's he going? Oh, in the face! Oh, hey, teamwork. This thing's not really a crawler, it's two-wheel drive, it's more of a short course type thing, but you can still crawl with it. I reckon a bit of a run up. There we go. Hold on, recovery vehicle coming through, no cheating. When in doubt, you go in flat out. Oh, and I killed myself. Ah. Easy. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Yeah. And he pulls out of it. This is actually steep, guys. It doesn't look it, but it is actually pretty damn steep. Come on, Rampage! Can we crawl it off of these rocks?
Sorry, mate. I don't want to ruin the show.
Hey, teamwork! Soldering through. Hey, tumble-wumble. Guys, shift servo's died on this and it's stuck in permanent rear diff lock.
What a shame.
Here we go. Tumble-wumble. Alright, can mine get up this bit with a lower centre of gravity body shell? No. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. It's so slippery here, I can't even stand on it, I'm sliding down myself. But the TRX-4 is making it up. Come on, bit of wheel speed. Hey, there we go, we're up. Oh yes. So we go for a nice little controlled descent. Probably not, but we'll give it a go anyway. Got the old BBC Top Gear Hilux body shell. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh no! Oh no! Carnage! This is the Castle motor in here, the Mambo X. Running pre-sale at the moment, capable of 6S. Well, ESC is, not sure about the motor. Oh.
Kev, I know it's a kids show.
Yeah.
Is that a live car in my pocket? Am I pleased to see you?
Oh, I wasn't even looking at it. Hold on, I need to get mine up there to give you a hand. Oh no! You put a new lipo in your one, Mick? Oh.
Cheers, Kev.
Cheers, mate.
Go back a bit, mate. Cheers, mate.
Oh no! What happened to you earlier, Pat?
I fell over in the centre of Cambridge. And a car went, and I landed on the road and the car went, actually it moved my hair like that.
Oh, and someone caught it on CCTV.
It's on CCTV, I'm going to get the footage tomorrow.
Oh,
so,
we're going to put that on the channel.
That's going on the channel.
Make sure you subscribe to Pat's channel.
Because
he's going to put it on his...
fat man falling over, is there?
Also, Mick over here is making a YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe to him. I'll put a link down below as soon as he gets his channel going. Pat, I think your bum's broken, it's got a crack in it.
I know. Happened earlier in Cambridge. Oh, for Christ's sake, this Land Rover show is so up top heavy.
Yeah, look, we're getting up there.
No.
Oh no! Oh, in the tree!
It's really chalky and dusty.
I might be less quick then.
Yeah. Oh, he's done it!
Oh, and he's made it up! Oh no! Oh, hey! Uh-oh. Hold on, I don't know if I reverse. If I give it some reverse, I can save it. See, look, people can't get up this hill, but these RCs can. Oh, look, I got a bump on the back. Oh no, it's... Oh no! Here we go. Back down again.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh! Oh no!
Oh, shit. I'm gonna win.
I'll save myself, you won't win. Oh no! Pat comes first, I'm second. He hasn't got the tyres. Aye, we made it! Oh no, it's crashed! Wrecked! Alright guys, that's only about half the footage. I've got a bit more, so I'm going to be putting that in a second part. So alright guys, hope you liked that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. Don't forget guys, if you want a chance to win this, make sure you watch my video, like one of the videos after I pass the 50,000 subscribers. And you've got a chance to win this bad boy. Alright guys, see you soon!